Welcome to Finan Simple, where money is made easy. And for today's video, here are some side hustles and money opportunities that you may start pursuing right away. First on the list, selling what you already have on Facebook, eBay, or Craigslist. It's very simple to list anything you have, put it up for auction, have the buyer pay shipping, and devote all your time to doing so by using websites like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist. All you need to do is take pictures of what you want to list, post it online, write a description, and ship it out once it sells. Number two is something you can do in your free time. In your leisure time, you should try to join focus groups where you can earn anything from $5 to $500 for a few minutes to many hours of labor. Wait a minute, what can you do in focus groups? Well, businesses want your feedback on their forthcoming products or services so that they may better understand client needs when they launch them. They thus employ focus groups to obtain unbiased feedback on what they have to offer so that they may subsequently make necessary improvements. However, if you don't have anything else going on, you should usually just do that to earn some additional cash. Imagine you registered with a business called Focus Point Global, which is now bought by the Schlesinger Group. They send you emails many times each week with various offers that match your interests and age range. On average, you would obtain 1 to 3 every single month. Nice, right? You could choose Schlesinger Group, or you could pretty much just search for focus groups in your area and you'd surely find some good options. Number three is a different side business that everyone might engage in, which is to flip items for free online. There are other people, like Gary Vee, that spoke frequently about this, and if you investigate it further, you will actually agree with this idea. There is a ton of fantastic things available that are being offered for free. For instance, if you go to Craigslist, you'll see anything advertised under the for sale section that contains a lot of free items being auctioned. Seriously, you should see all the free stuff available. If you're looking for a zero cost side business that can earn you a respectable income, this is absolutely it. Now, some people will be naysayers about it. A 5-foot extension cable or rock, for example, may not be the ideal choice posted there. However, if you look deeper, you can get a functional refrigerator for free. No joke, if you advertise properly and don't use a hazy photo, someone will pay $100 for the same refrigerator that is being given away for free. The fourth one on the list is something that probably won't make a lot of people glad to hear. However, getting part-time work is generally the best option if you're searching for a side business. Since a part-time job is typically the first thing that comes to mind when considering additional income, it is alarming to think how difficult people try to make things seem. Look at websites that advertise jobs such as Monster.com, LinkedIn, and Craigslist. When there is a labor shortage, there is a good possibility that you have far more negotiating power than you may realize. You may even inquire about it as you go about your daily activities to find out who is recruiting. Many businesses are trying to recruit more remote customer care agents. They are seeking jobs that can be done from home, such as data entry jobs, so you don't even need to leave the house to accomplish this. However, if you want to make additional money, this is one of the easiest methods to accomplish it. There is no shame in doing honest labor. Fifth, you can discuss side hustles without mentioning an all-time favorite by some people, which is churning out credit cards. This method entails applying for a new credit card and then spending the required amount to qualify for the sign-up bonus. For most luxury credit cards, these incentives vary from $100 to $300 on the low end to as much as $2,000 on the high end. In any case, doing this takes hardly any time at all, improves your credit score over the long run, and hey, who doesn't enjoy getting free stuff? You will have to spend money to do this, but you can purchase something that you may already need. Therefore, to receive the sign-up bonus, just place purchases made with your regular credit or debit card on the new credit card. You won't need to take any further actions beyond what you are already doing in this situation. Problem solved then. If you'd want some examples, the Bank of America Cash Rewards card will pay you $200 in cashback after your first $1,000 in purchases within the first 90 days. Since there is no annual charge, it's an excellent card to have for a long time. The Chase Freedom Flex credit card, which offers the same $200 cashback but requires only $500 in purchases in the first 3 months to qualify for the bonus, or the recently launched Wells Fargo Active Cash Credit Card, is now even better than that. It is brand new and they will offer you $200 if you spend $1,000 during the first 3 months. Additionally, there is no annual fee and a 15-month introductory APR rate of 0%. Again, with no annual fee, the MX Blue Cash Rewards card will offer you an additional $200 back when you spend $2,000 in the first 6 months. Simply said, for roughly 20 minutes of labor, you may earn incentives worth $800 without spending any more money and without paying an annual fee. Simply Google credit card churning to find more information or visit some YouTube channels such as Ask Sebi and the Credit Shifu, which often upload the most recent credit card offers as soon as they become available. In addition, you could also use Nerd Wallet and the Points Guy, and between all of them, you should be covered. Even though doing this isn't a full-time career or anything, the return on investment is astounding for something you could do for free on your lunch break. Now, moving on to number 6, monetize any marketable skills you may have. It's not that confusing. If you're good at something, at anything, or have any type of teachable talent, you could convert that into a successful side business. If you're a decent writer, offer to assist them with their website, sales scripts, emails, or anything else they might need help with. If art is your expertise, you may earn a lot of money by turning your artistic creations into NFTs and selling them out, much like the 12-year-old who earned $400,000. It's that simple. If you're good at something, there's probably someone else out there who wants to hire you and will pay you for your assistance. Unfortunately, this guide is not able to provide you with detailed guidance on this, as it simply comes down to your strengths. It is a terrific side hustle that you might gradually grow up over time. Find your marketable expertise, evaluate your strengths, and set a fair price for the work you provide. Last but not least, making money on YouTube does indeed require a lot of labor, and if your goal is to get money quickly, working any job would be a better option. Making money on YouTube will take a lot of time. You're going to spend a lot of time making a ton of free videos without earning anything in return, all the while having others criticize your work at first. However, if you like creating YouTube videos and have something to share, you can make money off of this as a side business without investing any money. Let's say you are starting off your own channel, and the only way you were able to gain your first 30 to 40,000 subscribers was by recording with your iPhone and editing it on iMovie for nothing. You put in endless hours of work, regularly uploading videos without skipping a beat, and after a few years, it unpredictably evolved into a full-time job. Apart from this, there are other creators that constantly publish in their niche and make an additional $500 to $3,000 each month. That is all from the side work they have been doing for a while. So, just bear in mind that if you want to make money quickly, YouTube is not something you should do. The ideal situation would be for you to wish to do this for no charge. But if you persevere and follow your passion, you can easily make this a very successful side business without spending any of your own money. The same is true for creating TikTok videos, YouTube clips, Instagram Reels, or practically anything else you can do consistently. There is tremendous untapped potential, and where the current situation of technology now is only the beginning. In any case, you probably only need the computer to edit on and the phone with a respectable camera. The only thing that counts is that you love it, everything else can be learned as you go along. There you have it. Those are some suggestions for the top legitimate side hustles you may start with nothing invested and eventually earn $100 per day. There is no entrance barrier, but it will undoubtedly take time. You may get a respectable side income if you are persistent and driven to pursue them. Just be prepared to put in the work and do something that you are personally interested in to avoid tiring yourself out and not enjoying what you are doing. So, keep in mind your interests and earn that money doing what you love. Always stay focused on learning and developing discipline. Get educated, make a plan, and stay the course. If you found this informative, smash the like button, please share it with a friend, comment down below, and let us know what would you like to have made Finan simple next. And definitely subscribe so you don't miss new content. Keep your head up, ears open, and always search for knowledge. See you soon!